Today's Bible verse comes from Matthew chapter 20, verse 28, King James Version. Even as the Son of Man came not to be ministered unto, but to minister and to give his life a ransom for many. Matthew 20:28 explains that Jesus came to serve, not to be served, and to give his life as a ransom for many. This verse highlights Jesus' role as a servant leader who offered himself as a sacrifice to redeem humanity from sin. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Number 1. Just as the Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve. This part emphasizes Jesus' humility and his purpose to serve others, a stark contrast to worldly view of leadership focused on being served. Number 2, the concept of ransom. Jesus' death is described as a ransom, signifying a price paid to free those held captive by sin. Number 3, for many. This phrase indicates that Jesus' sacrifice is for a specific group, those who believe in him and accept his gift of redemption. Number 4, the context. This verse comes after Jesus' disciples are arguing about who is the greatest, and Jesus uses this moment to teach them that true greatness lies in serving others, just he himself came to serve and ultimately give his life. In essence, Matthew 20:28 underscores Jesus' sacrificial love and his mission to redeem humanity through his selfless service. Amen.